our first day road tripping. We got our van yesterday in Darwin, and today we are driving from Darwin to Katherine. It's about 300 kilometers drive, and it's been very beautiful. We've seen a lot of termite mounds, and they have been dressed up by locals, I think. And no kangaroos yet. Where's the kangaroos at?
We unfortunately didn't find any kangaroos yet, but during one of our breaks in the village of Pine Creek, which is a former mining town, we did find an old mine and it's still preserved like the way it was in the 50s, so that was pretty cool.
We've planned a road trip for I think 6,000 kilometers, so it's from Darwin to Melbourne through East Coast. So from Darwin first we'll go to Townsville to also do some diving, and then go south along the coast. And today we've done our first leg of 300 kilometers. Is what we need to do every day to make it to Darwin in time. We've been sleeping one night now in this van thing. It was very hot and a lot of mozzies because we didn't have any mozzie netting, so we need to figure that out because without air going in, it's too hot.
So we came up with a brilliant idea to put the mosquito net we have with us over the entire car, and it actually fits, so we could open the windows.
This morning we went to the Katherine Gorge. It's a national park which is still owned by the Aboriginal people, which is really cool. They use the money that they make with the tours, schooling for the children, and conservation projects. We did a 2-hour boat cruise on the Gorge River, so that was very beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah. And now we are on our way to what's it called? Mataranka Hot Springs, I think. Check that out. Go swim for a bit, then find another free campsite. Hopefully this time one with cellular service, because that was a bit inconvenient, because if something happens we cannot call anyone, but it was fine.
This is the first kilometers of Lisanna driving because she was feeling a bit sick the past few days, so much better now. Somewhat better now. And looking forward to her driving so I can take a nap. We've just left a place called Daly Waters. Daly Waters is a very small town. It's called a service station. Basically that means there's a bar, there's a petrol station, and you can get your tires fixed and buy some ice or water or whatever else you may need for the road. It's about 500 kilometers, 600 perhaps already from the nearest real city, which is Darwin in the north. There's some small, bigger settlements like Katherine on the way between. Katherine is about 300 kilometers away from here. But it's basically the middle of nowhere, which is really cool. It wasn't Lonely Planet because it's quite a weird place. You can trade a bra for a free drink. You can pay $5, and if you pay $5, they take your photo and nail it to the bar for all eternities. And the toilets were quite weird also, because the toilets have these saloon doors. So we have been in the car for 200 kilometers, so I needed to take a number 2. And you can look the people who are walking in front of you straight in the eyes while enjoying your sit over there. So that was interesting. I saw a lot of people writing on the door. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture of that. And people wrote, "This is my favorite toilet." And then there was a whole list below that. "Mine too, mine too, mine too, mine too." And then there was one guy and he wrote, "Fuck you, Daly Creek pub." So I think he disagreed, but yeah. And that concludes our trip through the Northern Territory of Australia. Next time we'll continue in Queensland. Please consider subscribing and see you next time.